Hello and welcome back to the channel at Languedoc Property Finders. Today we are in the sunny village of Lorenz looking at a one-bedroom village house which is actually situated in a pedestrian area. I'm just going to pan around so that you can have a look, but it's very, very quiet here. But it's not too far away from the road. So, without further ado, let's go in. It's a very old village house. You'll see when we walk in the sort of detail that's in this house. It's really quite gorgeous. Right, so it's arranged over 3 floors, and as we come in through the front door, I'm just going to close the door here, that you are faced with steps either going up or down. So I'm going to take you downstairs first of all to the bedroom, and the bedroom is nice and cool, which is perfect. It's what you want for the summer. And I'll tell you what, look at that ceiling. It is a gorgeous room. So the bed is situated here on the right hand side. Beautiful stone walls, very quiet. There's a vaulted ceiling, and there's a wood burner in the back there, and that actually heats the whole house. It's very efficient. So you've got a dressing area as well, a sitting area at this end of the room. Beautiful wooden beams. And for the sake of convenience, you've actually got a WC on this floor as well. And that's kind of handy to have. Just a basic WC, wash basin, and then there's the washing machine and the hot water heater as well. So that's sort of handy to have right by the bedroom. But how unusual is this? This is really quite stunning. I love those beams. So it's quite a large bedroom for a village house. And of course you've got, as I mentioned, you have the wood burner on this floor. So whether you are sleeping in the summer in the cool or in the winter when it's a little bit cooler and you want the heating on, you've got the wood burner. So this bedroom really suits all seasons. Right, let's go and see the rest of this house. Beautiful. I just think these stone walls are stunning. The character in this house. This front door as well, very old. Look at it. So, as we come up the steps, this is the kitchen dining area. It's an open kitchen, which I think is really nice because it means that whilst you are cooking, you can chat to your guests. There you go, that stone wall is throughout this house. It really is lovely. There's a nice touch there. They've got some wrought iron. And an original sink. Look at this. That's quite something. So also on this floor, you have the main bathroom. So let me just walk back here. Unusually, again, for a village house, the bathroom is quite large. You have a shower, a bath, a WC, and a wash basin. And it's quite a large shower actually. Just looking at the head there. It's a nice big shower head. And then also, just on the other side of the bathroom, there's a large pantry area where you can store everything you want, including your bikes if that's what you want. So the fridge freezer's there, microwave, and it's actually quite a nice fitted kitchen. Beautiful flagstones on the floor. It's very well designed actually. I think the current owners have done a good job in the use of space. And I love these enormous, great big beams. Very pretty. So this is floor number 2. Oh, I just wanted to say as well, that front door is the wooden front door, but there is also a glass metal door there. So you could close the glass metal door for security, obviously, but because there is glass, you can leave the wooden door open and the glass door will let the light flood in. So as we go upstairs, there's another seating area up here. This area has reversible air conditioning. So it's a nice large sofa. And again, you've got more exposed stone. And you've got the AC unit on the wall there. And beams, beautiful beams. Full of character, this house. The house is used as a holiday home. I'm just going to pan around because there is even a terrace as well. So there is a window over the staircase, which again lets lots of light in. And then obviously the sliding doors of the terrace. And you have your little terrace as well. There is a water outlet here, so if you wanted to grow plants in pots or whatever, it's just easy to have a tap here. You don't have to run down to the kitchen area. And it's a shame that the chateau is undergoing works, but that is a beautiful view normally. The chateau here at Lorenz. And the rooftops. How pretty. Actually, we're so close to the swallows as they are flying overhead. That's so lovely. There's a pigeon sitting on that chimney. So there you have it. A 1-bedroom house, but in fact I wanted to tell you this sofa here is actually a sofa bed, so you could potentially have another bedroom up here if you wanted to, or if you had guests. So there are 2 bedrooms, but a large 1-bedroom house, village house with a terrace in the pedestrian area of Lorenz. Quite a pretty find, I think. If you are interested in arranging a visit, I'd be so happy to show you the house. Click on the link at the bottom left of the video and let's come see the house. Thank you so much for watching.